nice restroom they got here. They got showers. I don't want to see if it works or not, but yep, I'm about to head out. Well, I'm 6 miles in. I think I have another 4 or 5 to go until I get to camp. You see my car all the way over there. One on the right. I gotta go down and that way into the woods. Let's get it, dude. Almost left my phone. All right, I'm getting close. This is where I drove in from. So I think I'm gonna take this way the second day so I can go swimming. So let's see. I'm gonna go this way. Splashing Dog Trail. That's my next trail. And then from there, I'm going to Rabbit's Run, then camp. Let's do it. Oh, there we go. Splashing Dog. I'm in it now. So I'll be doing Rabbit's Run Trail. So this is a good water source where I'm stopping by, but my water's still good. I still have a full liter. And I don't think I drank much out here, no. I'm good. I'm just gonna make sure, just double check the map. Yeah, this ain't my water stop. It is such a good source, but this runs all the way to the end of Rabbit's Run. I'm gonna snag water there because I gotta do a 4 liter carry. Yeah, 4 liter water carry to camp. So I guess I'm just gonna keep hiking. I don't really need a break. I'm gonna take a little water break and get back to it. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna end up at the end. I'll be going down that trail. But now we're gonna be doing Rabbit's Run Trail, which is only 0.9 miles. I like that. I like that. So I'm about to grind it out to camp. Well, grind it out to the water spot. So let's get it. All right. I think I'm done with Rabbit's Run. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go to North Trail, pick up my water. After that, it's off to camp. Boom. There it is. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna get down there. Because I do believe this is the last spot to get water. So I'm about to have a good climb. Finally got water. Took me about 20 minutes. I couldn't really find a place to climb down and get it. Oh, that seems sketchy. So I think, where did I get it from? Somewhere back there, I guess. I must have got it off of another channel. But it would have been great to get it from like right there. But, oh well. I got my water. I'll be carrying about 4 liters. And let's see. We're right here. And we're gonna go all the way down Lost Cemetery. And I'll be camping right there. So, about 3 o'clock. I'm thinking I might get there. I'm gonna guess. So I'll probably get there in like an hour and a half. But anyway, I'm gonna get this water hooked up to my bag. Hopefully I can without it falling. So I'll see you back out there. Oh, there it is. Holy moly. Lost Cemetery. I guess it's not too bad. So I'm going to 3 bridges. Towards 3 bridges. I'll be doing that in the morning. Well, let's see. Let's take a look at this map. I'm getting so close to camp. See, I'm right there. I think camp is where the H is. I think. So, not too much longer. Still feeling pretty good. I think I feel a lot better now after getting done with Lost Cemetery. So, hell yeah. I can't wait. Because I'm going to get there, put my tent up, drink, and eat some beef stroganoff. Whew! Fuck yeah, I made it. I don't know if you can see the picnic tables, but they're beyond those trees. Whew! I tell you what, I'm about ready to get over here. Oh man. So, I only got a limited time of video, so I'm not going to record much for the rest of the day. I was going to be a real hiking YouTuber and have a video of my tent, or setting up my tent. 1, I'm too tired, and 2, I ain't got the space. Hell yeah. I did it. I did it. Alright, that's day 1, man. I did 11.7 miles in 5.5 hours. It's alright, pretty good. Average pace was about 2.5 miles per hour. And I think, if I read correctly, I did like 1,700 of feet. 1,700 elevation gain. So yeah. So fun times. This is what I'm left with. Might make a fire tonight, and who knows. Probably set up my tent right here. I'll do that and just chill. Anyway, if you don't see me again tonight, I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. First night out by myself. It was okay. I slept okay. Just getting a lot of noise. I guess I'm just not used to that, but I'm sure it's nothing. But, oh well. But I'm cooking me oatmeal. I hope I can get this shit right. I don't know. I'm about to find out. It came with like one of those cups, and I just put it in a bag, and I'm just gonna cook it in my pot. So I'll let you know how that turns out. Let's take a look at my tent real quick. The River Country Products 2 is what it is. Good old tent. Actually wearing his shirt too. Repping the brand. But ooh, anyway, I'm gonna get to my food. It looks good, but I think I kind of burnt it at the bottom. But I'm about to find out and see what it tastes like. Alright guys, I got everything packed up. Got my water filtered. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna probably cut my trip short because honestly, camping solo isn't really that great. I like the solo hiking. It's fun. I can go at my own pace. It's just the solo camping that sucks. So I mean, I don't like to think I'm giving up. I don't want to put myself through something, which I know once I get to camp for one more day, it's going to be kind of lame. But, you know, solo camping ain't for everybody. Ain't for me, at least not yet. It's like I'm not really looking forward to camping by myself again. And plus, I'd get to camp so early, it's like I'm just going to sit there for a few hours and just do nothing. So, yeah, I mean, I had fun. I did a good amount of miles, I would say. And probably in the future, I'll do another solo hike. If it's all good, I have maybe around 6 miles left. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take it to the house. I mean, I like to think I did get enough miles. So, and I redlined the Noxubee Hills, so I feel accomplished. But anyway, I'm going to get the rest of my stuff packed. I'll see you back out there. All right, goodbye camp. So I'm gonna go up here, get on Lost Cemetery, and then take one of the blues to the North Trail. I'll go there and then hike north all the way to the lake. I might see some bikers. I've seen a couple of them this morning, so I'm sure there's people on here. Let's do it. Well, I won't say this morning isn't challenging. Rock Crusher is kind of similar. Well, Rock Crusher Trail. Whew. This just goes on forever. Ooh-wee. Oh, there's the blue. I'm crossing the blue over to North Trail. Let's get it. Alright, I'm on North Trail. I don't think anyone's biked through here because I keep going through spider webs. Kind of like that yesterday as well, but it's all good. Whew. Honestly, this is one of my favorite trails. It's not bad. I think the beginning is because I think you have to climb a pretty steep hill, but then again, I've climbed a pretty steep hill, so whew. But yep, I'm gonna keep going. Yeah. All right, I'm getting closer. Passing Blue A. Down. I'm gonna continue on that way. Pretty nice if there's some water in here, but oh, there's a little bit. Huh. Seems like it's running, but it's also still right there. Oh, almost ran into that. Yeah. Let's go check out this bridge. Seems like it's running a little. But it's pretty shallow. I can't get my bag in there. What a shame. I should have enough water. I still have, I don't know if you can see through that, but maybe a quarter of that left and a full 2 liter. I think I have maybe 2.5 miles. Maybe less. But seems like it keeps going down here, so maybe there's a better place I can get it. We'll see. This shit. 2 of them bitches. Well, y'all can have that water. I don't want it. All right, that's Long Trail. Not Long Trail, North Trail. So, I'm halfway done, I believe. I just gotta go on Lost Cemetery to Beaver's Lodge. About a mile, 3 miles. 3 miles away. Alrighty, halfway done. Let's do it. Alright, I'm back at Rabbit's Run. Well, beginning end, well, my end. But I go to the Lost Cemetery, which I think is like an extra 0.3, 0.4 miles. So I'll be at the lake in, well, an hour and a half. It's about 3 miles. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to it. Oh, which means I'm getting close. I've already heard cars. I think it's just literally right on the other side of here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alrighty, I'm back at the car. Whew, it's a lot cooler in here, I'll tell you. It was a fun trip. I kind of hate that I didn't want to camp again, really. I just wanted to hike a good bit of miles and just get back to the car. And, you know. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe one day. Well, it's definitely more fun hiking or camping with the group. I mean, it's cool hiking by yourself and, you know, go at your own pace and whatnot. But anyway, I'm going to head to the McDonald's. I'm hungry, and thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.